Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent messages application to display notifications on our lock screen in Realme 14 Pro phone. First, we need to go to our phone settings. Next, in settings, we need to scroll down to notifications and quick settings. Then we need to tap the lock screen option. And now we need to look for the messages. Here they are. So we can enable or disable them using the switch right here. Of course, we can enable or disable all using the switch at the very top. But if you want to customize, we can pick and choose pretty much whatever we want from here. And that's pretty much all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.